Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. In this video we will learn how to view Dahua DVR without a monitor. First you have to install an app in your phone which is dolynk. Open the tool option. Here you will see all the devices that are connected to your router. Select the DVR or NVR. Type the password of DVR or NVR. Now you can see device details. Here you can also change the IP address of IP cameras. Just turn off the DHCP and change the IP address of IP cameras. You will see the live view option at the top. Just touch this button and you will be able to see all the cameras of DVR.